Major. Noun. A military rank between captain and lieutenant colonel. He used to be a major in the army. Major. Adjective. Of great significance or importance. Major. Adjective. Greater in number, quantity, or extent. The major part of the assembly. Major. Adjective. Of full legal age, having attained majority. Major. Noun. A person of legal age. Major. Noun. A large, commercially successful record label, as opposed to an indie. Major. Verb. To concentrate on a particular area of study as a student in a college or university. I have decided to major in mathematics. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.